Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can complete your KYC on your CoinZoom app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap on the CoinZoom app and simply get logged into your account. So once you're logged into your account, you will be ending up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the settings option. Once you tap on settings, you need to now tap on complete profile setup. Once you tap it on, you have to now simply select a country code and then type in your mobile phone number. Once you have typed in your mobile phone number, you need to type in your name, tap on the alright let's go option, then type in your birthday, then your address as well, and you need to select your type of employment as well as give them access towards your incomes data as well. Now to the final step, you need to select a type of document you want to upload. Once you have uploaded a document type, then you need to now take a selfie. Once everything is completed, you will end up in this kind of interface. Once your account is reviewed, your KYC will be completed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.